Hello, my name is Rebecca Lee, and I co-wrote this book, The Mercury Detoxification Manual, with Andy Cutler, PhD, who deserved a Nobel Prize for what he figured out. I called him an inadvertent arhat because without any pretensions to being spiritual, he stumbled onto this huge remedy for human suffering. My contribution to the book was to make it accessible to even the most brain-fogged or ADD sort of person. I have been out of commission for a while due to the screen on my computer going on the blink. Thank you to all the tech-savvy people out there in my universe who advise me what to do. I now have a brand new refurbished MacBook Air and I like it very much. I also have set up a little video studio in the basement of my place. It has two black umbrella sort of things that hold light bulbs and hopefully make me look better and more professional. They are CFL bulbs, and you can be sure I handle them with enormous care. A while back, I wrote a piece about why people don't detox, or why they don't stick with detoxing. I mentioned my favorite Indian saint, Shirdi Sai Baba. He was talking about spiritual undertakings, but it holds true for this too. Faith and patience. Both endeavors take faith and patience, and they take a long time, and you have to show up and apply yourself relentlessly. You have to show up and follow through. I know that some people have sudden breakthroughs like Saul on the road to Damascus, but such sudden breakthroughs are rare and make me worry that I am looking at a bipolar person having a good day rather than an actual case of interesting and good progress. No, this is a slow and incremental process. You can't move Mercury very fast, or you will have more of it racketing around than your body can get rid of, and you'll hurt yourself. You have to get a little out, give your body time to rest and readjust, and then move a little more. You're looking at a year or two minimum of doing this. This is why Andy counseled that you need to find a strategy that allows you to make this your new way of life for a while. You have to make it a background activity for whatever else you need to do to live a normal life, or a reasonably normal life. Changes are slow and easy to miss. Keep a diary. Don't go running after the shiny new thing. Forget about practitioners who promise fast results. There are no fast results. At best, such people may be able to help you manage some of the symptoms that Mercury is troubling you with. In the category of faith, some people are afraid to start. Perhaps they have a whole bunch of health problems and have managed to beat them into some kind of submission and get them under control, and they don't want to rock the boat. Believe me, this is a shaky equilibrium. This thing is progressive, the prognosis is bad, and it gets worse as you age. I particularly sympathize with parents of toxic children. I understand what it means when you have finally got the chaos under some control. I understand how you may be terrified to throw your routines out of kilter. But again, this is a shaky equilibrium. Detox your child. To get them on a firm foundation, that is what you need to do. You're not going to be around to take care of them forever. So don't be scared. Jump in. You have nothing to lose but a whole lot of terrible symptoms. Once you have got past the first round and have figured out your starting dose of chelators and what supplements you need, it is routine you fall into. You do the same exact thing every day over and over again until, as Andy put it, you are all better. So please like and share and follow and all those good things, especially share. Wouldn't it be nice if the parents of some of this multitude of affected kids found out about us and decided to give ACC a try?